In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make wall art using Canva. This process is incredibly simple and can be a lot of fun, especially if you're keen on adding a personal touch to your living space. Whether you're looking to decorate a new apartment or refresh your current space, these steps will guide you through creating your very own piece of wall art with ease and creativity. First, you'll want to start by heading over to canva.com. It's a fantastic online tool that offers a wide array of design templates for all sorts of projects. In the search bar, type in wall art. You will be presented with an extensive collection of ready-made templates to choose from. These templates can really help you get started, especially if you're new to design or feeling a bit uncertain about where to begin. Once you've browsed through, take your time to select a template that speaks to your style or matches the theme you've envisioned for your wall art. Remember, this is where you can let your personal taste shine, so pick something that resonates with you. After selecting your favorite template, click on Customize this template. This will open up the design in Canva's editor, which is where all the creative magic happens. You'll notice a toolbar on the left side of the Canva interface, and from here click on Uploads. This is where you can upload any images you might want to include in your design. If you have personal photos or any artwork you've created or purchased, you can easily incorporate those to make your wall art even more unique and special. Once your images are uploaded to Canva, you can simply drag and drop them into the template. This feature makes it super straightforward to replace or add images wherever you like within the design. Now explore the tools available for adjusting the size, orientation and placement of your images. Feel free to change text fields, fonts, colors or any other elements within the template. The idea is to make the wall art truly yours, so don't be afraid to experiment and play around with different options until you achieve the look you're after. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save your work. Canva allows you to download your completed project in various formats, such as PDF or JPEG, depending on how you plan to print it. You might want to print your wall art at a local print shop, or even order a print directly through Canva's services. And there you have it. With a little time and imagination, you've just created a beautiful piece of wall art using Canva. This is not only a fulfilling creative endeavor, but also a wonderful way to personalize your living space with something you've had a hand in making. Happy creating!